Goofy! You and your cool sunnies. They don't fit you, mate, do they? Hey? At first, sunnies. Hey, don't you look like a cool dude? Yes, you do. Look at you. They're not fitting you properly. Aw, mate. Hey? You're going to have to break them and fix them up. There you go. Where's the cool dude? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, now Mummy just broke them proper. Reefy. What happened? Don't lick them. Hang on. I'll lift your head up. Don't lick them. You'll make them dirty. There you go. How's that?